Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Phone Tech. Today let's compare Huawei Nova 5i Pro and Huawei Nova 5T. Let's start. First we will compare RAM and storage. Huawei 5i Pro has a 2 option in RAM 6GB, 8GB and 2 option in storage 128 and 256GB, and other side 5T has a 8GB RAM, only one option, and only one option in storage 128GB. Next we compare display. 5i Pro has a 6.4 inch Full HD Plus LCD display and 5T has a 6.2 inch Full HD Plus LCD display. Next we talk about the processor and chipset. Nova 5i Pro has a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and Kirin 810 chipset, and other side 5T has a 2.6 GHz octa-core processor and Kirin 980 chipset. If I talk about the front camera, both smartphone comes with a under display left side front camera, and both smartphone have a 32 megapixel front camera. Next we talk about the rear camera. Both smartphones come with the quad rear cameras, and we talk about the pixels. 5i Pro has a 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and other side 5T has a 48 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear cameras. Now we talk about the other few things. Both smartphone comes with the Android 9 and you will get a dual SIM in both smartphones. And talk about the fingerprint sensor. Both smartphone has a fingerprint sensor, but Nova 5T has a fingerprint sensor on the side. And talk about the GPU. 5i Pro has a Mali G52 MP6 GPU and other side Mali G76 MP10 GPU. And talk about the battery. 5i Pro has a 4000 mAh battery with fast battery charging, and 5T has a 3750 mAh battery with fast battery charging. And talk about the price. 5i Pro expected price 22,000 India rupees and $310 US, and other side 5T expected price is 26,000 in India rupees and 350 in US dollar. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please click on the bell icon for new video update.